hell going on?
Been in here too many times. I don't even know.
Already, huh? What's up, y'all?
I'm getting ready for the messes.
Figures. It's about right. Alright, so we're finally doing something about the heads. I've finally been peer pressured to not go as bougie as we were originally gonna do, but I ain't doing just a basic, just stock rebuild anymore. But I'll leave that as a surprise for when they come back. But anyways, we're in here tonight to get the top end tore down, get the heads off so they can get sent out. And then I have a new intake, I have fuel regulators, new injectors, all kind of stuff. And I'll show you all that here in a minute. Well, there it go. The cylindrical,
I want my straight edge.
Head McGee's are here and removed. I don't know what you did with that straight edge, bro. They somewhere.
That shit is so fucked.
A little wonky. Little wonky slush. Wonky slush. Hey, I just want to say right quick, y'all really been slacking in the comments, bro. Like, I have about a 2% ratio, like 2% of the people that view the video leave a comment or like it or something. We need a little crowd participation, you know what I'm saying? So, if, and I don't even care, y'all can start arguing, y'all can bicker, whatever y'all want to do. Y'all can talk shit, tell me I've been taking too damn long to get this shit together, whatever. whatever y'all want to do. We just need some crowd participation, you know what I'm saying? Get the algorithm kind of favoring your boy a little bit. Yeah, I don't see your little straight edge. But anyways, yeah, y'all should do that.
We'll see like this right here. 15 thousandths.
Off from the ones next to it?
Yeah, well, it's sitting on these three right here, and I'm pressed down, and you can see daylight. Like, you can see it through and through. And I could go more than 15. Like, there's just not even no point. It's just...
It ain't right.
The installed height is fucked all the way across.
But what do you think the noise is? You think it's the guides?
I think this is the noise right here.
Oh, man. That's crazy work.
It is crazy work. It's unfortunate.
But I ain't gonna say where I'm sending them until they come back, and then it will be very clear where they came from. They should be better than ever. And then we're also, what I haven't showed y'all is we're putting a new camshaft in this Johnny McGee also. So to be a new cam, some improved cylinder heads, nice brand new Gen 4 truck or Trailblazer SS intake, however you want to say it, with 50-pound injectors that are brand new. And then we got our fuel regulator because we're going to switch to returnless. So that'll I'm kind of excited for that because that'll kind of clean this little situation up with the fuel lines. It's not the worst, but it could be better. And then I got my pigtails for the wire harness adapters because it's what they're Moltec now, and those are EV6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I said that right. So we got the adapters for those. We got the map sensor and adapter harness and all that shit. And yeah, so this next rendition should be a lot nicer. It should be similar power. It'll be a little bit better with the intake and the bigger injectors because we were already out of fuel.
I think power is irrelevant at this point because your truck hasn't ran.
Well, yeah. It just being able to go down the fucking road without being nervous
no good
would be cool. But yeah, so I'm pretty stoked. What you got in that bag? I mean box.
Baby. I got a baby in the box.
Ooh. Well, that's it. Pretty much we was just trying to get the heads off tonight so we can get them in the mail and get my truck out the way so we can do other things. But yeah, that's it for this one. If y'all are excited about all the new little parts, be sure to leave a comment. Like I said, we need to get that group participation up a little bit, help the algorithm favor me a little bit. I'll give y'all another update when these little sons of guns come back, because I think y'all are going to be pretty excited. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be the nicest shit that's been on this truck yet, probably besides the Booker transmission. It's about the nicest thing this truck's had going for it. So Modesto's successfully peer pressured yet again, and we should have something half decent this time. So that'll be it for this one. Peace out, be human. We'll see y'all next time.